Guys, ever been stuck in a stuffy tent wishing for a cool breeze? Or maybe you've experienced those sweltering summer nights when even the crickets seem too hot to chirp. Well, today I've got something that might just change your outdoor experience. Today we are diving into the world of portable cooling with the OGERY F11 Camping Fan. Now, this isn't just any fan. It's a game changer for campers, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone who needs a reliable cooling solution for on the go. So let's explore what makes this fan stand out and why it might be your new favorite camping companion or even just outdoor companion. Anyway, back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the OGERY F11 Camping Fan. Now, of course, it's not just for camping. Actually, you can use it indoors as well because it's really quiet, but more about that in just a second. But you know what? You can use it anywhere. So whether you're out and about on a hot summer day or whatever, right? This bad boy is going to make you feel a whole lot comfier. Now, before we get into it, guys, OGERY sent me this F11 outdoor fan to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. So guys, first up, open up the box. Now we've got some instructions in the box. We've also got a USB-C charging cable. Then guys, we've got this rather cool remote control, and we've got the fan itself. Now, the first thing you notice on this fan is, it's got like an LED light, it's got a charging port on the back, it's got a port so you can charge other devices on the back. I mean, this thing has got timers, it's oscillating. I mean, it is very, very, very well built and full of functionality. I mean, in such a small, usable unit, I can't believe how much functionality it's got. And do you know what? It's as light as a feather. I mean, you kind of, you can pick it up with one finger. You've actually got this carrying hook where you can, you can kind of carry it around. I mean, do you know what? It is look at that. See, I told you it had an LED light, but it really is versatile. It's really bright as well. I've got to turn that down. Now, the first thing I want to really focus in on, guys, is the power, right? I mean, this OGERY F11 isn't playing around when it comes to airflow. We're talking about a high velocity airflow that can reach up to 18 feet away. I mean, that's right, 18 feet of cool, refreshing air. I mean, imagine sitting around a campfire or just sitting around with some friends, barbecue, whatever, and it's boiling hot. You know what? Everyone in your group is going to be able to feel this breeze because you've got that oscillating head. You can tilt it. I mean, it is very, very versatile. I mean, no more fighting over who gets to sit closest to the fan. And even if you're at home, those stuffy nights indoors, you want to open the window, but you don't want all the flies to come in and, all of that stuff. This fan is so quiet. I mean, we're talking whisper quiet. Apparently it's like 30 decibels, whatever that means. But all I know is that you're not going to have to shout over the fan to have a conversation. Or even if you want to use it watching the television, you don't have to turn the television up really loud because the fan is so noisy. And even if you want to have it in the bedroom and you're trying to sleep, it's not going to disturb you. Now guys, let's address a common concern with portable equipment, right? That's battery life. But this OGERY F11 boasts an impressive battery life of up to 60 hours. That's potentially an entire weekend of being out and about, camping, on the go, barbecue, whatever, on a single charge. No need to worry about finding a power source or carrying a battery pack. And guys, speaking of charging, this fan comes with a 20-watt fast charge capability. So you can fully charge it and get that beautiful 60 hours of power in just 4 hours. I mean, that's perfect for those quick turnarounds between trips, or if you forget to charge it the night before. Another feature I particularly like is the wireless remote control. It works up to 16 feet away. I mean, imagine being cozy in a sleeping bag, or, you know, the fan is at one end of the room and you don't want to get up. I mean, we all know how useful remote controls are and how lazy they make us, but 16 feet away, you can adjust all the settings on this fan without having to get up. It's the little conveniences that can make a big difference when you're out and about. Also, guys, the OGERY F11 isn't just about cooling, right? It's also got that built-in LED light, which almost blinded me. And that light provides a fairly smooth, diffused glow. I said it blinded me. It didn't. It's just the fact that it caught me by surprise. But it's perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere in a tent, or if you just want some extra light when you're out and about, barbecues, things like that. A bit of light is all very handy. And guys, like I already showed you, you've got that 360-degree rotating hook, so you can easily hang it from any structures, tree, branch, tent, wherever you are, wherever you need it, you know, you can have it. Another great feature, guys, is I said it auto oscillates. I mean, it's 120 degrees, so that means you get all round cooling, right? No more static air blowing in just one direction. The fan moves to create a more natural, widespread cooling effect. Now, guys, look at the technology behind this fan, right? This OGERY F11 uses something called turbocharging and precision PVM control technology, right? In simple terms, it means it can deliver 50% stronger airflow than many other camping fans. It also means that it can cool you down about 80% faster than basic fans. And also, guys, the fan blades themselves are worth mentioning because they are an inspired turbine design. This isn't just for looks, it actually helps to move more air efficiently. In fact, these blades can actually move about 50% more air than your average box fan. And guys, let's talk about control. The OGERY F11 offers precise control over both the fan speed and the LED light. You can adjust things exactly to your liking, whether you need a gentle breeze for a midday nap or a stronger flow after a long walk or some vigorous exercise or whatever. This fan has got you covered. And one feature that's really handy is the timer feature. You can set it for 1, 2, 4 or 8 hours, which is great for if you want to go to sleep and put it on your room at night. You don't have to have it on all the time. You know, it's just a nice feature. And guys, with that 270 degrees of vertical rotation, this means that you can direct the airflow and light exactly where you need it. Whether you're reading a book, cooking at a campsite, or just trying to cool down your sleeping area, you got options. Also, guys, when you're out and about, you need your gear to be tough, and the OGERY F11 doesn't disappoint. It's designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. The remote even has a hidden magnetic slot at the back of the fan, and that helps it keep secure during any kind of transportation. And combined with its portability, this makes it great not just for camping, but for a variety of situations. I mean, literally, you can use this anywhere. Now, you might be wondering about those technical specs, right? And if you are, I'm going to tell you now, this fan can move 300 cubic feet of air per minute at its highest setting, which is a lot of air movement for such a compact device. The charging capabilities are pretty impressive too. Not only can you charge it quickly, but you can also charge, as I said, other devices because it has an 18 watt output. So you can just plug whatever your devices are, tablets, smartphones, whatever, and charge them up. And one thing I really appreciate is the attention to detail in the design. For example, the auto oscillation feature lets you choose your preferred range from 30 degrees to 120 degrees. This means you can get that perfect spread of air. So guys, you never thought you could talk so much for a fan, right? But you know what? The OGERY F11 Camping Fan is powerful, is quiet, is long lasting in terms of battery life, it's well built, it's versatile. I mean, It's a lot of things. So whether you're an avid camper or a weekend warrior or just somebody who likes to be prepared or likes to stay cool, this fan could be a great addition to your gear. And right now, guys, at the time of this video going live, you could pick this up for a mere £45. I mean, £45, you know, that's insanely cheap for such a useful device. I'll leave any product links and any discounts in the description. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. If you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to OGERY for sending me this very cool, yeah, no pun intended, but very cool device to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.